Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Temp Tattoo Kit is probably one of the most versatile and fun ways to express your creativity and change your look without any long-term commitment. In this video, we will explore the top-rated temporary tattoo kits available on the market, comparing their ease of use, design variety, longevity, and overall value to help you choose the perfect kit that matches your style and preferences. We'll cover everything from application techniques to removal methods, ensuring you get the most out of your temporary tattoo experience. Number 5. BodyMark BIC Tattoo Markers. Unleash your creativity with BodyMark temporary tattoo markers. It's easy to create unique and fun designs that are safe for your skin. These markers use cosmetic quality ingredients, so you can express yourself with vibrant, long-lasting color. They meet cosmetic regulations for safe use. Get creative with the flexible felt tip. It's perfect for both thin and broad lines, letting you make intricate designs or bold statements. This pack includes 8 assorted markers with bright colors. You'll have everything you need to create a wide variety of looks. From parties and festivals to sporting events, these temporary tattoos are great for any celebration or event. Make a statement and have fun. Stencils are included to help you create amazing designs, whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist. Let your imagination run wild. Remember, they are not for use near eyes or lips. Always follow the instructions and discontinue use if irritation occurs. Suitable for ages 13 and up. What we like. If you need a versatile tool for creating unique temporary tattoos, this is your best bet. It offers a wide array of colors and a flexible tip for precision. If you are looking for high-quality, long-lasting results, this product is perfect for you. This is ideal for those who want to express their creativity with detailed designs. What people say. The brush tip is excellent and made drawing fine lines or filling in with color easy. Dried quickly enough not to smear or bleed. The tattoos lasted a couple of days. The colors are beautiful. Our kit especially likes the included stencils for easy DIY tattoos. These are awesome. I love the bright, bold colors and I love drawing things on my arm or shoulder. They last about 3 days if you don't wash it frequently. Number 4. Original Stationery Glitter Tattoos. It's the perfect addition to any kid's party, from birthdays to sleepovers. Let the fun begin. This set has everything you need: 24 stencils, 6 glitter colors, 2 brushes, and adhesive. Get ready to create. Applying these is a breeze. Simply use the stencils and brushes with the adhesive to create dazzling designs. Cleanup is just as simple. It washes right off with soap and water. Looking for a unique gift? This is perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. It's sure to be a hit. It's great for kids of all ages, from 3 to 8 years old. They'll love expressing their creativity. What we like. This kit is perfect for kids' parties or creative play. It comes with various stencils and glittery colors, making it easy for young ones to create fun and sparkly temporary tattoos. If you are looking for a mess-free and easy-to-remove option for kids, this is the one for you. It's great for birthdays, sleepovers, or any special occasion. What people say. It comes with 24 stencils included in the kit, 6 colors of cosmetic shimmery metallic glitters, 2 makeup brushes and 1 body glue and a like nail polish container for easy application. The stencils can be reused over and over again. How cool is that? This art kit can be used for much more than just face and body art paint. It can be used for school projects, arts and crafts, scrapbooking, gift cards, eyeshadow, nail art, decor and so much more. Number 3. Purple Ladybug Glitter Tattoo Kit. Get ready for endless fun and creativity with this amazing kit. It's easy to use and perfect for kids of all ages. Say goodbye to glue, water, and stencils. Just pick a design, apply it to your skin, and add your favorite glitter colors. It's that simple. This complete kit includes 9 sparkly glitter colors, 2 brushes, and 175 unique tattoo designs. You'll have everything you need to create dazzling masterpieces. Looking for a fun and memorable gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to be a hit with kids and teens alike. With 175 different designs to choose from, including mermaids, unicorns, and more, there's something for everyone. Let your imagination run wild. It's perfect for parties, playdates, or any get-together. This kit is tested for safety, so you can relax and let the kids have fun creating their own shimmering body art. What we like. If you want a huge variety of designs and a hassle-free application, this is the kit for you. It offers a wide selection of designs and requires no glue or stencils. If you're looking for a fun and safe activity for kids, this is a great choice for parties or get-togethers. It's easy to use and provides hours of entertainment. Number 2. VANLI'S Temporary Tattoo Markers. Express yourself with our temporary tattoo markers. This kit comes with 50 unique stencils and 13 vibrant colored pens, perfect for creating eye-catching body art. They deliver crisp, consistent tattoos thanks to the highly pigmented ink. It's a fun way to showcase your artistic side, whether it's on your own skin or a friend's. Made with plant-sourced pigments and meeting U.S. cosmetic standards, it's safe for all skin types. It's a fun and easy way to decorate your face and body. These markers are perfect for parties, festivals, or any special occasion. They're easy to use with stencils and wash off easily with soap and water. VANLI is a family-run business committed to providing families with quality art supplies to spark creativity. We offer great value and imaginative products. These temporary tattoos are a great way for kids and adults to express their creativity and have fun together. The kit is perfect for stocking stuffers or gifts. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to create trendy temporary tattoos. It includes a variety of stencils and colored pens, making it perfect for expressing your creativity. If you're looking for a safe and high-quality option with many design choices, this is a great choice for teens and adults. It's perfect for parties, festivals, or personal expression. What people say. Great quality, nice variety of colors. All markers were smooth and colors were vivid and opaque with some blendability. The templates were cute, fun variety of styles and can easily be reused. There was no bleeding of ink and designs had a crisp line. Ink dries nicely, didn't flake when dry. The tattoos lasted quite a while, through hand washes as well. Removes easily with soap, alcohol or baby oil. Very easy to use. No smell. The gold, silver, bronze, green, blue, pink, and purple are metallic so it has a shine to it as you can see in the photos. The markers wash off really easy, use soap and water and the temp tattoo comes right off. Number 1. EGMBGM Tribal Temporary Tattoos. These 28 sheets offer a wide variety of temporary tattoos, from tribal designs to intricate mandalas. They're perfect for expressing your unique style. Each pack includes both large and small tattoo sheets, giving you tons of options for placement and size. You'll find the perfect fit for any occasion. These temporary tattoos use a non-toxic ink, making them safe for use on almost any part of your body. Apply them with confidence. Applying these is a breeze. Simply wet them with water and wait. They'll last for 4 to 7 days and are easily removed with makeup remover or alcohol. Get the look of real tattoos without the pain or commitment. They look incredibly realistic and won't leave any scars. From festivals and parties to everyday fun, these temporary tattoos add a touch of flair to any event or season. Get creative and express yourself. What we like. If you want a large selection of pre-designed temporary tattoos, this is the perfect option. It offers a wide variety of designs and is waterproof, ensuring long-lasting wear. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to add some temporary body art to your look, this is the most convenient choice. It's great for events, parties, or simply changing up your style. What people say. Vibrant colors, they stick really well through showers and washing. They don't feel tight on the skin, or even seem to bother my sensitive skin at all. I love these, they cover up my scars while not being permanent. They stay on even after swimming or showering for several days. These temporary tattoos are amazing. They do not sit on top of your skin, they actually look and feel like a real tattoo. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.